Hey beauties, Crystal here from Elite Hair Care USA. So today we're doing a alopecia weaving transformation on my client here, who, as we can clearly tell, has a case of alopecia going on in her crown and also right above her occipital bone. So to get started for the service, we went ahead and did what we call a texturizer. We did not texturize the area where she has the thinning. But we went ahead and did it for the other parts of her hair, which, if you guys can tell, she still has a good amount of texture in her hair, but it does allow the hair to stay a little bit straighter, a little longer. We also did a black hair color on her to allow for that illusion of fullness, even though she is getting extensions. We are not doing a full extension service where all of her hair is being covered up. So we are using all of her hair in the service. If you guys can tell, right in the crown area, there is a covering in that area to protect the hair that is growing there. So we did about 4 levels of protection, which included a silicone covering, a lightweight paper, just basically protection for that area. That is all that really matters. Of course, we don't want to damage anything that's already growing there. As you guys could tell from the beginning of the video, she did have some sprouts of growth. So outside of that, now we're just basically silking her hair out to prepare her hair for the extensions. So we're just using some pack hair. If I'm not mistaken, this was Saga Remy. It blends really, really well when it comes on to blending it with texturized hair. But like I said, any type of hair that you're using, you have to really determine the texture based on your hair type, okay? So I am using adhesive or glue, whichever one you want to call it. And then her and I actually talked about the removal process, which she actually came all the way to me from Colorado, you guys. So thank you guys for so much for your support, and so much for just trusting me and coming this far to even get your hair done by me. So I was really happy about that. Now, if you guys can tell, I am parting her hair and applying the tracks in between her hair. Most people would have just covered the entire thing up, but the fact that she wants to start wearing her own hair, and she does also want to be able to scratch her own scalp and touch her scalp and wrap her hair and that kind of thing, that's the reason why we chose this method. Now, I know there's going to be a couple people in the comments like, oh my gosh, that's just going to damage her hair even more. To be quite honest, you guys, it's not the installation that damages the hair, it's the removal. So how you would remove a style like this is simply getting into your shower, getting under the water, of course, warm water, and just rinsing the hair. No shampoo, no nothing. Just rinse, 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 rinse. That area that has the covering is going to slide right off because it is water soluble. And then the tracks that are in between that, or in between her scalp area, that part, whatever does not just rinse off, as soon as she applies shampoo, it will come right off. Outside of that, we decided to, of course, do a clipper cut. Now, she came in with a picture that says she wanted to do a bob style. If you guys could already tell from the beginning of the video, her hair was already short. So the bob style actually fell right in place with the style request that she had, because her hair was already somewhat in a bob cut, but still needed to be trimmed and everything. So I gave her an asymmetrical bob. I wanted to kind of keep the color dynamic the same. So, the color that she brought in was a mixed, I want to say it was like a 1B30, which actually worked out really, really well. And then on top of that, when her silver streaks decide to pop back out, this color will blend really, really well. Now, we did talk about the fact that she does have to have her stylist in Colorado be able to replicate this style. So I wanted to make sure that I filmed this video just in case she needed a reference, but I know for sure that the stylist in Colorado would be able to assist. Sometimes you just need the direction or like a diagram of what to do to make it work, and there we are. So, at the end of the day, I don't think it's feasible for her to come to Orlando every single month, but she did plan on traveling as often as she needed to get her hair done. So that is straight commitment, you guys. Okay. So what I'm doing right now is just blending the extensions. Even though most of her hair is out, the extensions still need to be blended to create that softness in the style. I hate to see a hard looking bob unless requested by a client. If you don't blend the bob, it just looks like there's a ton of weight in the wrong places. So it's definitely very important that you blend your extensions. And I'm not saying you have to blend it 100% with her hair, because sometimes your hair is a lot shorter than the extensions, but you do still want to create that softness by layering or feathering the actual cut. Okay? All right. So after we completed the cut, it was just more, say, a style part. How she'd maintain this at home, she'd simply wrap her hair, you guys. That's it. Just wrap it. So I know a ton of people are going to be asking, can she still apply serum to her hair or anything of that nature? Unfortunately, because this is a bond-in service, a serum is not going to really help. Mainly because it is a oil base or even a water base. And remember, this product is water soluble. So that's very important to understand. But what this will do for her is allow her to have her hair out, that oxygen getting to the actual strand. It will allow her to start wrapping her hair at night and not having to use heat. And of course, it's going to boost your confidence because you know that you have a banging style, and most of this style has to do with you and your hair. Okay. Sometimes with alopecia clients, you don't really have that option to say you're going to grow all of that area back. But in the interim, it will give her a chance to start the regrowth process and to also strengthen the hair that she does have, because that's still very important as she goes through her journey. Now, I know you guys were asking about the spray that I put on her hair. That's just a little bit of Sebastian Shaper just to kind of seal the hair shaft itself, but it's not really to do anything else. It's not going to make the hair hard or crunchy. So let's talk a little bit about the extensions themselves. When we're doing services like this, you guys, you want to definitely make sure that the hair you get, it matches as close to your texture as possible. I don't recommend bundle hair for this type of service. I preferably will use Remy hair, as I said before, behind the counter, not in front of the counter. This particular brand was Saga Remy. In my honest opinion, I feel like the Saga Remy is the closest to relaxed hair texture. Still taking into account that there is coarse textured, fine textured, and medium textured hair. But this hair seems to blend the best to me. But every style is going to be different, okay? Now let's talk longevity of this style. As long as she keeps it wrapped, she does not allow any moisture or water to get into the area where we applied the extensions, she will be fine for about 2 to 3 weeks. I don't recommend keeping this service any longer than that. Why? Because at that point, the hair is really, really soft under the actual adhesive and protective solution. I got tongue tied again, you guys. And at the same time, she's perspired, the hair is dirty. Like, it is just really time for a refresh at that point. So if you're going to get services like this is definitely something I say. Make sure that you are going to the stylist that you can get to easily and effortlessly. My client said that she's going to travel to me, which is fine with me. But this is just, it's not something that's going to fix your life forever, you guys. This is just an alternative weaving solution to cover basically alopecia, that areas that are not growing, or maybe that area is somewhat growing in, but it's just very, very sparse, or it's scarred. That definitely is what I see the most in my salon, is that my clients are those who have a lot of scarring, and it's just not going to grow back, and they want to change. They want to be able to feel and look like themselves again. So that is the kind of service that I provide. Now, I want you guys to remember, just a shameless plug, Black Friday is coming up, you guys. We are in the month of November 2021. And I am going to spell out really quickly the Black Friday deals. So Thursday, November 24th, 2021 is free shipping day. That is also the day that we will be releasing our new Moist Repair shampoo and conditioner, and also releasing our new and improved hair repair and restore shampoo, conditioner, and hydration or Hydra Strength leave-in conditioner. So you guys definitely look out for that. No codes will be needed. And then, of course, Black Friday, we will be doing our BOGO deals. We have 4 different sales going on Black Friday, you guys. So be excited, get excited. I'm prepared. I'm hoping you guys are prepared. It's just not something you want to miss. Okay, this is going to be the weekend where you get the best elite hair care deals on all of our hair repair, hair retention, moisture repair, moisture retention, and hair styling products and tools. So you guys get ready. All right. And lastly, if you're not already subscribed to my other YouTube channel, which is our Total Body Care channel, please go ahead and go to Elite Total Body Care and subscribe to that channel. So now that I'm done giving out all the plugs, I want you guys to comment and tell me what you guys thought about this banging bob. It blended really well. Of course, that's always my goal. And then, of course, she was able to walk out nice and confident with a little bit of layering. It just came out really nice to me, you guys. So please, like I said, don't forget to go ahead and hit that thumbs up button, comment as well. She can also use some fibers to apply a little bit of masking wherever she needed, but I wanted to use her hair as best possible.